Okay, we've had a bit of a disaster. We've come across a sign that says the Wanganui Road is closed. So we're going to have to go the Forgotten Highway to Stratford and then to Wanganui. So that will add another probably 2 hours. But hopefully we'll get some good footage of the Forgotten Highway and we'll show you.
Wrong.
Don't you love motorcycling? We've come across another problem, haven't we, Jason?
It's just ongoing now.
We've got a road closed sign here, but we're actually going to carry on and see what we get to. We'll report back later.
Right, well, could you just give us an update what's actually happened?
Yeah, sure, Jason. So what we try to do is go down State Highway 4 to straight to Wanganui, but unfortunately we had a big closed sign saying the road is actually closed. This is how bad the weather is in the North Island at the moment. It's absolutely atrocious. Some people are saying it's the worst storm in 20 years to hit this region, and we're riding through it. One thing I want to say is that we went on this Forgotten Highway, State Highway 43, and we came across a road closed sign, but we've ignored that, and we're just quietly taking our time over this because the roads are not good condition. There's lots of bumps on these roads that throw your back tyres off, of course, when you're in the wet. And I guess there's a few more vehicles on this road due to the fact that the other highway's blocked, Jason.
Yeah, well, this is not a good highway, or road I should say, to have a lot of cars on, because this is the World Forgotten Highway. As you can see, it's quite thin, what have you, but what happens to this road, it ends up being shingle, metal road, unsealed. It is very, very picturesque though. It's amazing forest. You're like you're in Jurassic Park, you really are. It's got a spectacular tunnel in it, little bridges. It's really quite a spectacular road.
So we're just keeping a close eye on the weather because it is raining. The roads are going to be really slippery, and we just don't want any accidents on this road. It's not a nice road, but to say there's bumps and
I think it's actually time to put wet weather on.
Yeah, I agree with you. So I'll just find a spot to pull over, okay? I'm looking. That's a bit dodgy on that corner right there. What about on this side of the road?
Yep.
Okay, we'll stop recording for a second, eh? Okay. Oh, look at this. This is slippery. This weather.
Oh no, it's a pain in the ass.
Am I boiling? Look out for shit on the road.
Yeah.
Slippery when wet.
Love gets slippery when it's wet. Gonna slip away. Lord, help me slip away.
You alright?
Yeah, I am fine.
Yeah, 'cause I was pissed off.
I'm just getting over it.
Yeah, I'm getting pissed off.
I don't know why we can't have good weather. It's just the way it is. This morning you just got to look, this morning was fantastic.
Absolutely. Bridge is clear.
Okay.
Shingle on the road.
Yep.
Cattle crossing. Oh, surprise, surprise. Oh, there's a lot of shit on the road. I'm slowing way down here. Fresh cow shit on the road.
Oh, that's all we want.
Well, Jason, we promised ourselves an adventure in New Zealand, and I guess part of the adventure is going into the unknown.
Well, this is true. But boy, let's just hope it's a few little showers and it dries up. Don't touch the front brake.
No. How far is it, you reckon, till the
Shingle?
Yeah.
About 10k. Not far, even less. Because there's that shed.
Yeah, I remember the shed.
It's right there on your left.
I remember the shed.
Oh.
The cars weren't there last time. Watch out for the potholes.
I just missed them.
There's a stop-go man possibly here, I'm not too sure. Yes, there is. Believe it or not, there's guys doing roadworks out in the middle of this road.
Oh.
Hey, how are ya? Great day for it. I think we'll stop recording now, Jason.
You know, I was just saying before that this is what, you know, some guys go on motorcycle tours and it's all smooth as silk. Ours don't seem to be like that, but I think that's part of the fun. We couldn't go down a national highway because it was closed, and now we're going on the Forgotten Highway, which is an absolute goat's track, but it's going to give some amazing footage. It's just the way it is. Love it. That's what motorcycling is all about, and that's what Kiwi Grand Tours is all about.
Exactly, Jason. It's the idea of adventure riding. Regardless of the conditions, we will still go out there and do it.
Absolutely. So here's the sign here, Forgotten World Highway, Stratford.
Turn left.
Turn left.
And there's moss on the ground. So what we're going to experience soon, Jason, is this mud slush packed
Road.
if you call it that. High motorbike crash route. Did you see that sign?
I saw that sign. I was a bit worried actually because I'm riding a motorbike.
I'm very glad we put our wet weather gear on, Jason. I just wanted to say that thanks very much for stopping and thinking to do that. Yeah, if we could pull over somewhere just for 10 seconds. On your left, on your right, I mean. So, my camera is... This is... What's my camera doing? But this is recording, right? No. Oh shit, you fool. Guess what? I've just lost all my insides to my gloves. I can't use it anymore. I can't, my fingers here won't go any further. What? I can't use it like, I can't ride like that. I've got to take it off. I'm not going to be able to do it. Let's go. Now we're going to hit the gorge.
Wow, look at this. Now keep a lookout here. We're going to hit the shingle soon, and keep a lookout for dinosaurs.
Especially that T-Rex variety, that's the one we've got to dodge. And of course, with all the rain comes all the mud.
Burning down the house. All right.
Wowee, look at this.
Now, this is getting pretty narrow, so we're going to have to watch out for other vehicles.
Farewell from Ruapehu. And it begins.
We're going to swap halfway, okay?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Gosh, this is rougher than before, isn't it?
Yep, it's a bit of get on the smooth stuff.
I'm trying to find it.
Someone's just dumped a whole pile of new shingle on this, that's why.
How's your off-road rear?
It's not bad, it's jumping all over the show. It's come around to meet me twice. But I said, no thank you, not today. You're joking, there's roadworks in the middle of here.
No way.
Well, here is the Forgotten Highway. World Heritage, actually. It's spectacular. Look at that scenery. Okay, there's some... Oh, shit.
Oh, I saw that. Oh, I did too.
I nearly lost it. Okay.
Okay, we've got some roadworks coming up or something.
Yeah, and there's a guy going backwards for some reason.
Okay, let's go. I mean...
They've just graded it.
Oh, no. Hey.
100? Yeah, I'm going to do 100 down here. I dare you to do 100.
Well, here we are, Kiwi Grand Tours.
As usual, finding ourselves in trouble.
Oh, oh, I hit all those potholes.
Well, there's about 50 in a row coming up. I'll just get over to the left here once I get past Pothole Alley.
Hearing strange noises.
Okay, where you go?
I'll just wait till I can see the road first.
Oh. There we go.
Right, well here we are in the thick of it. We've got a problem. We've got rocks falling here, Jason.
As long as it don't fall on my head, I don't care. Oh,
Look out for potholes.
you just threw a stone at my knee.
That means you're following too close.
Well, hurry up.
Branches. Oh, no matter where you go, you're going to get them, eh?
Yeah. What a great ride. Sometimes these things turn out for the better. Oh, look at this little bridge. Here we are. Oh, wow. What is that?
Oh, look at that. No wonder there's a rest area here. Shall we pull over and take some photographs of it?
Ooh. Thanks for telling me at the last possible
I'm very sorry.
second.
I'm sorry.
Okay, camera's off.
Well, I might just swing my bike and park it over there, actually.
Okay, 1, 2,
2, 3.